Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live up to 10 hours a day. I'd first of all like to apologise. We are just under 13 minutes late, and I do apologise. We had some tech issues, and I thought I could solve it the short way. Unfortunately, I had to reset the entire studio to bring things back together again. So apologise for the delay. It did delay me by about 13 minutes, and I'm sorry about that. I hope you were kept informed in the chat. I'll let you know if you look in the chat, if there ever is a technical issue, I will actually let you know in the chat what's going on, so you can be kept up to date. All right. Now, this morning we are up a nice position today. Very, very good. However, I've taken 2 trades already. I posted my first trade. I say I've taken 2 trades. I've taken 1, but I'm preparing a second now, and I posted it on all my social platforms. So if you do follow me on X and stuff like that, you will get it there first, and Discord, in the stock news and everything else. So I just told you I just sold my Roth IRA position in Virgin Galactic. Let me go through and show you. I'm beating Warren Buffett again. I'm beating the S&P again, as you can see there. If I look at my Roth IRA is also beating Warren Buffett and also beating the S&P, because we've got to take profits on our short term. Even though we've got our long-term positions, we've got to take profits on our short-term, okay? All right. Okay, the balance is 52,000 again. Started at $5,000 2.5 years ago. We're at 52 grand, doing all right. Consider it, we're making profits all the time. It's what it's all about. Right, let me go through my positions with you and show you exactly what we got. So there you go. There is my full position. Virgin Galactic, I just sold my Roth position, adding to my long term. And there we go. Palantir is up today 1.64. Gold is at 178. The S&P is up today at 0.34. That's looking better. I bought it again yesterday. I started buying in. You may remember I bought back in on the main account, and I bought back in on the Roth IRA. So I'm starting to buy back in, but not getting too carried away. We're going to go sideways for a year, I think, so or best parts of a year. So we want to build up cash, earn 4.9% on it, because the rates are going to stay high, and sort of just buy the dips when it happens. Okay, so Amazon is up today, 1.37. It's a good position for me. I bought it at $99. Mullen, it's a rubbish stock. It's a scam stock. I'm down. It's a lottery ticket. I'm just going to sell it whenever I can get any kind of money out of it, which may be never. Apple is up 0.66 today. Next Year Energy is also up. I'm waiting to sell my Roth position. I've got 11% to go. Enphase Energy, that's improving day by day. And the same thing, I want to sell my Roth position. I've got 6% to go. Coca-Cola is up as well. That's good. I added when it went down, even though it was ex-dividend day. It won't count. However, we want defensives as we go through to the end of the year. J&J, I'm starting to accumulate again. So I'm starting to add back in there. And we're making profit along the journey. Kenvue, up today 0.67. CVX, up. I've got another 5.8% to go before I can sell that. That gets me to a wash, then I'll start making the profit on it. Tesla, we had an opportunity to buy a dip this morning. It's going back up again. That's good. Rivian, our long-term position, and our Roth. The trouble is with our Tesla, we're upside down on it. And what I mean by that is we're not losing money, we're making money. But I need to trade Tesla, and I've got a big position. My main position is on my Roth, which is a bit of a problem. Because I want to trade it on my Roth and build it on my main account. But there it is. I want to be in and out of Tesla. But anyway, whatever. It's too high at the minute to try to find a buyback price. Anyway, Rivian, it's too expensive. That's what I mean. Rivian is up today. McDonald's is up 1% as well. Still a good buy for McDonald's. Google is a buy for me because I sold it at 50%. We're at 48% now, but I want to buy it cheaper than this. Microsoft is up today, 0.56. Let me read the comments. Release said shock city rocker. Hi Niels, do you plan to buy back into Virgin Galactic? I'm in Virgin Galactic. I haven't sold my main position. My main position is increasing all the time. 1,600 shares heading back to 4,000. Simply selling my Roth IRA. And absolutely yes, if I can buy it back under 181, I will absolutely buy it straight back again. Absolutely right. But we're out with it at the minute. Mr. Bogues, apologize to Mr. Bogue again. I still haven't done his video. So today's show is going to be extra short. I have to get it done today. I'm behind on videos. So much going on in the studio and so much stuff going on all around the stocks. I am falling behind some of my commitments. So today's show will be an early show, and even I always say that and end up answering questions and going on too long. I can't do a 4-hour show every morning, and I keep doing it and I get behind. So today I'm going to make myself end the show after the Friday phone-in. The Friday phone-in is at 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern. We will do that. That's the time we do it. And straight after that, I will end the show. I have to get these jobs done. Hi all, Green Day today. Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. A wee bit hoarse, Martin. All okay, buddy? Yeah, I'm okay. Sorry, was I sounding hoarse? I'm all right. Maybe I was just a bit relaxed in the voice. I mean, I don't know. I've got two levels of my voice. I've got the relaxed voice and I've got the up voice. I don't know. Anyway, of course, tonight is Friday night, is music night. Are you joining me? Who's going to be the first? Go there now. Leave a comment. Leave a like. Click the I'm coming, notification. There you go. Tonight, music night. Every Friday night. Not every Friday. Sometimes I take a Friday off, but most Fridays, go and click the notification bell and we can see how many are waiting. We've got one waiting there so far. We've got 7 likes. Let's get up to 20 likes during today's show. There's 7 likes. Go in there now, click a like, leave a comment in the chat, and Mike is the first as always. Always rely on Mike there. And I'll come back to that in a minute and see if we've got that up to like 20 likes. That's for tonight's concert. Friday night is your music night. You can make requests and all the rest of it. All right. Okay, let's carry on. Fabinici Blue, after a good night's sleep, I'm ready to make some plays if they come. And it's music night. Fabinici Blue always joins me. He seems to really enjoy the music, which is wonderful. Any views on Simply Wall Street or Alpha Spread to screen stocks for intrinsic value? Chris Pickering, any views on Simply Wall Street or Alpha Spread to screen stocks for intrinsic value? I don't use those, to be honest with you. That's not my, I don't use those. If you'd like to ask, I think the best person to answer the question on those websites, and that question is Sensei when he comes in. I will put that into my saved comment, and I will ask Sensei when he comes in. I'll ask him your question. All right. Okay. I don't use those platforms for that. Virgin Galactic up 2.21 today. I've just sold it on my Roth IRA. Let's go from the other end. We've got XRP is down slightly. We got Matic, which is down slightly. We got Bitcoin, which is also down slightly. Rio Tinto up 0.86. Faraday Future up 5.74. I've got a sell order on this one to make a 5% profit. Might happen today. It might not. I want to be out of the stock essentially. So the way to do this is the way the stock swings. When I get a 5%, I sell it. When it dips at 10%, 20%, I buy it. And I keep making 5-10%. So I add all that money up, the profits I've add up. then I can go back to my brokerage account, and even though I'm down, I can sell it because I've got my money back from trading it tax-free. So I've not had to pay a penalty tax on my profits, but it's a way for me to get out of the stock. I don't mind having a bit in there as a lottery ticket, but I don't like the company, but it does allow me to swing and scalp all over the place, and reasonably confident that I can get my money out. It's a small amount, but that's what I'm working on. So there's a sell order there, hopefully happening in a few minutes. Funware, we're not in this stock. We had one token stock on it. Rumble, I am trying to get out of this stock. I'm down 2%. I nearly sold it yesterday. Remember, I told you I forgot that I had a trade left. It was not a day trade. Remember, I explained that yesterday. So I don't believe in this stock. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make any money. I'm on Rumble now. I'm on it every day. It doesn't make me any money. Can't say how it makes anybody else any money. I'm not really a fan, if I'm honest. I mean, I've got a good audience on Rumble. I feature on the homepage, but I don't make any money. And I don't like investing my hard-earned money on a company that is purely based around, whether Donald Trump wins the election, whether Russell Brand can talk about what he wants to talk about. I think this is not a good platform. YouTube and Google don't work that way. It's not a good investment for me. It's too much like gambling. It's too much political rambling. So I'm on it because I broadcast on it and my audience enjoy, and I enjoy their company. But it doesn't make money as an investment. So any kind of profit, I want to get out of this. I know Craig has said stay for next year when the election comes, but I mean, again, I can't invest on whether we're, success of Donald Trump or not. That just, to me, doesn't make sense. Anyway, let's carry on. Procter & Gamble, plug, Rocket Lab. I sold my Roth IRA last night. I put it on my socials, so you saw me do that. Took a profit there again. We'll look for it to go back down again. Holding my long-term position, keep then benefiting from that. But my short-term position is very different. IonQ, I do want to get back in. It's now down. It's now up 300%. But bearing in mind, we were up at 450, so it's come down a lot recently. It got massively overbought, and it's come all the way back down again. It's still too expensive though. Doesn't make sense for me. Many thanks, mate. I probably watch the video later tonight. Green, great channel. One of the best I found. Chris Pickering, thank you very much. You're welcome. We've got an event on Sunday, closing bell time. When the bell actually goes, we start the closing bell. When the bell goes on closing bell time, we're having a show on Sunday with Sensei Crypto on my channel, and so doing chart analysis and crypto and all that stuff. You can join in for that as well. It's a new thing that we're adding. I will bring you the link for that this afternoon in the closing bell. Okay, Tilray Brands. We're not in this at the moment. Tesco, we're waiting for it to go back down to 6. Walmart, good. Microsoft, too expensive. Google. Let's come back to my SPCE. Waiting for a drop. It's coming up now to 8 o'clock. Let me go into our economic data today. Let's have a look. It's Friday, September the 22nd. If we got anything today that we need to talk about, 750, not really. Nothing today. No, there's nothing today on the economic data calendar, but we are looking at, I'll share with you on the screen, we are looking at fear in the market. This is a live feed. We are looking at fear. Despite the markets up today, the general consensus is fear, and There we go. But so when it's in fear, you should be buying, but you also got they can't just use that, because at the end of the day, the markets are up today. For me, it's an opportunity to sell, and you normally sell when it's greedy, but there you go. You seem different this morning, a little more serious. Do I? I'm a human being, right? I don't know. I have different emotions each day, I suppose, but no, I think I'm okay. But thank you for asking. It's funny that people notice the changes. I don't think so. I feel all right. Anyway, thanks, mate. I'll probably watch later. Mike, 105. 105 or 100%? 100%. 100%. 100% to what? Good morning, buddies. Jason Richard. Remember Jason Richard joined a couple of days ago as a guest with his Longhorns. It's good to have him here. I think he was from Austin, Texas. 100%. 100% to what, mate? You seem different this morning, a little more serious. Do I? I don't feel any different. Some Fed presidents will be talking today. Yes, I've seen it, but it won't be broadcast and it's not major. So if it's anything important, and I'll pick it up on the news, I will bring it to you. But anyway, let me go over into the breakfast bar. Have we got anybody to upgrade? We had a lot of new members yesterday. And I think I'll wait for Bill to come in because many of you were asking me. Yeah, I like this one. We got one for many of you are asking me how many members we got. So I will share it when Bill comes in. This has just been sent in from Mike. Give the hearts and 100% on the channel. Ah, lovely. Thank you ever so much indeed. Oh, I see what you're saying. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, Mike. And also Mike posted, so if every day you could do this, and the reason for this is I'll tell you, Discord is available to everybody, and it's also there's benefits to the members as well. We're trying to become a public channel so we can use Discord to promote YouTube. You have to have so many followers. You need 500. We've got 813, as you can see here. We've got plenty of followers, but the only thing that we're lacking is engagement. We don't have enough engagement for them to make it a public channel. So if you can, and you want to help us grow, every morning just pop into the broadcast, pop into the breakfast bar, share a picture, leave a comment, say hello, put something in the stock news, something that you're looking at, crypto news maybe, ask the family, you want to ask somebody a question, suggestions, things that you want to see on the show, things you'd like me to do more, like me to do less, whatever. If you want to send clips in, clips of the show, that's quite a funny thing. People take clips and send them in, funny parts of the show. Underneath the video there's a little clip, you can clip it, and people send funny clips in from time to time. Links for YouTube, that's things you want me to share during the show, and stuff like that. So you might want to do that. And in the breakfast lounge, you can send in pictures like this and have a chat about what's going on. That's our morning breakfast bar, if you like. All right. Okay, so that is a little bit about Discord. Right. Okay, let's have a little look. Loud Work, happy Friday. Yep, Friday night is music night. Tonight we got our concert. Join us for that. Just posted on Discord. Didn't do it when I subscribed earlier this week. Seth, have I upgraded you? Where are you in Discord right now? Let's have a look. Where are you? Where did you go? You went to welcome all. Seth, right. Have we upgraded you? Let's have a look. No, we haven't. You can't see all the channels. Okay, Seth, we've got an upgrade. We've got an upgrade to do. Seth Houston just posted. Seth, can you confirm on YouTube this is you? I know it sounds silly, but people will pretend to be you and trying to take your memberships, okay? Can you just confirm on YouTube that this is you, and then I will upgrade you and explain all your perks. All right, Mike's coming in. Hello, Seth. I love it. Hi, Niels. I love when everyone does this. This really helps the channel by being engaging, and it's also very nice to welcome everybody in. Just got back from a nice round of golf. Oh, very nice. Wade Van Eysen. Very nice. Okay, so Seth, yes, it's me. I believe it. Okay, so here we go. So Seth, the first thing I need to do is give you a nickname. It doesn't change your name. It just changes your name on my server. And it's so we know you're the same person. All right, so you are Seth Houston. We do that so we know who everybody is. Lots of scammers, people try to manipulate the system. So we have to do that, okay? I hope you understand. So you're now Seth Houston, same name. I will now friend request you. So go and accept that now. You will get people message you pretending to be me, same name, same logo. They're not me. I never message you. I'll only reply to you if you send me a message. I don't do that. So I've just sent you a friend request. Accept it. How you know it's me? If anyone messages you, first of all, I'm in gold, as you can see, because my color's gold. If you look at my role, I am, thank you, Leah, for my coffee just arrived. Can I swap you my tea? Thank you, Leah. You've got a good little system, haven't you, babe? We tap the old thing. It's called being married, isn't it, babe? We've got systems in place. Right. Okay. Leah comes in, she taps my mug on the so I can hear it, and then I turn around and get it. Okay, so yes, I've got the role of owner, so you know it's me. And also, as you can see here in my profile, I'm the only person on Discord in the world with the username Martyn Lucas. Others will have 2 S's or a dot or an underscore, but they will use this name and they will use this. So be very careful, but it's very easy to know. I've just explained how. The last thing I'm going to do is give you a role. And I'm going to give you role of member, YouTube member. Can you see that now? I'm doing it now. Okay. You now have the role of member. What does that mean? That means you can now see the exclusive content. You can see all the stuff down here on the left-hand side, all the investor channels, the members channels. You could see the public before, but you can now see all of these, and you can join in stock news every morning, share information, share some crypto news, suggestions for the show. This is only for the YouTube members. And right down the bottom, you can also see in broadcast here, you can now call in to the show. You can now call in via the broadcast now. If you want to ask me a question, say hello to the world, share some information, share a stock, be a researcher, you want to be part of the show, call in, promote something if you want to do a sponsorship or something like that. That's where you can call in. All right? So there you go. All sorted. I hope that was all made sense. All right, let's have a look. Spaced to zero, says Af Gorilla. No, I don't think that at all. Otherwise, I wouldn't be in it, would I? I'd sell my position. Just got back from a nice round of golf. You like my profile pic? Let's have a look. Seth Houston, let's have a look at it. I didn't pay much attention. It's a love heart in the grass, is it? Is that what it is? Is it view profile? Hang on. There you go. Is it a love heart in the grass? There's a stick over here. What's the stick? Oh, hang on. Sorry, I'm not showing anybody on the screen. Yes, this is Seth. He said to me, "Do you like my picture? You got a love heart in the grass there. Is that a drumstick or a stick, or what is that there?" Anyway, yes, absolutely, lovely. Af Gorilla, good afternoon, left my like. Thank you very much indeed, Af, appreciate that. Very kind of you. Afternoon all, how's it looking today? Good, just taking some profit. Hi, everybody, from Stephen. Hey from Moscow, good morning for everyone. Absolutely wonderful. Welcome our guest today, Hamster. Is Hamster a member? No, he's not. Okay, Hamster's not a member of our channel, but let's welcome Hamster in as well. Let me just click a couple of these. Okay, I need to engage in these. Make sure I've done everybody. Don't want to miss anybody out. There you go. Now then. I want to go over to our translator, English to Russian. I want to welcome our guest today who's coming all the way from Russia today. So here we go. Okay. Welcome, hamster from Russia. Welcome to you and all our friends today in Russia. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to the show. As you know, we go live up to 10 hours a day. We're here to help and support everyone. Welcome to the show.
Добро пожаловать, хомяк из России. Добро пожаловать вам и всем нашим сегодняшним друзьям в России. Рад видеть вас здесь. Добро пожаловать на шоу. Как вы знаете, мы выходим в эфир до 10 часов в день. Мы здесь, чтобы помочь и поддержать всех. Добро пожаловать на шоу.
Oh, that's the weed eater. The weed eater. Ah, okay. I see now. I love the fact that everyone thanks Leah for the coffee. I think that's brilliant every morning. Going back to work on Monday after a longish redundancy from AWS, so making sure I enjoy my last day. Indeed. Join us tonight for the concert. Hello from Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia. Hoping for a green day. Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia. Where's Nova Scotia? Is that North America somewhere? Nova Scotia. Hang on. Nova Scotia. Nova Scotia. Hang on a minute. I'm getting confused. Is it a country or a Nova Scotia? Hang on a minute. It's a Canadian province. So it's Canada. And it's a Canada province. They're Canadian province. Okay. Nova Scotia. I was trying to think. I've heard this name before. Right. Okay. It's from Canada. Do we have any members from Canada? Of course we do. Our first member from Canada was, of course, Bill. And he flies the flag. Adam M. Welcome to the show. Lovely to have you here. We've got lots of members actually from from Canada. Hey there, man. Smitzy, how you doing? We're looking good. If you look at my portfolio today, it's a good day. I'm beating Warren Buffett again, and I'm beating the S&P again, and I'm up again, and it's a good day. So we're doing very well. We've taken some trades this morning. I posted it on Discord in the members channels and X as well. So all of you knew what I was doing before I do it. And I've got another one. I'm trying to get out of FFIE today and make a 5% profit. Okay. Enjoy your last day, says Zach. Welcome, Zach, from Uganda, Africa. Smitzy, question mark. Hey there, man. What's the question mark? What's the question? What is your family saying about your 10-hour stream? My family is Leah. We're the family. There's only two of us, just the two of us. We are the family. We are the mafia. We are like the massive. Me and Leah. And Leah's fine because we both work from home. Leah works from home. I work from home. And while I'm on air, she's in her office. I'm in my studio. And that's how I get my coffee. She's here at home. She's working at home. So it's not like she's sitting there going, when are you going to come and talk to me in the lounge and have a cup of tea? We do that on the breaks, but she's working with me. So she works 8 hours. I work 10 hours. I got to work a bit harder, ain't I? Canada, Smitzy, there you go. I'm more than Wikipedia. You're more than Wikipedia. What does that mean? Good afternoon, James Bond. James Bond, did you see? Did I do this for you? I can't remember now. Did you see on my music channel? We got 9 likes now. 9 likes coming to the Friday night is music night. Go and click on it now. Click a like. Let me see how many likes we can get before the bell goes. This is tonight's show. After the bell goes, we've got 9 likes now. Let's see if we can get 20 likes. That's the idea. Yeah. I recorded, I don't know if you heard this. Did you hear this one? It might have been done for you. I can't remember now. Look, James Bond. I did Tom Jones. And I have to say, even if I say so myself, I did a very good impression of Tom Jones. Do you want to hear it? Do you want to hear it? Here it goes. Ready? He always runs while others walk. Oh, yeah. Tom Jones. Check that out. Oh, right. So if you've not yet had a listen to that, go and have a listen. All right. Okay. Let me clear the board a minute of the flags. There we go. Hi, Martin. Trying to update my membership. Can you send through the link again? Of course I can. It's let me give it to you. You might need your browser. Is it Liam Laffey? Oh, yes. Did you mention this the other day, didn't you? I think you mentioned this the other day. You might need a browser to do it. It's the membership page here, look. On the home page, it's just a membership page there. And you will see it, and it will say join. It should even say on the home page join as well at the top. Doesn't say it for me because I'm already a member, right? But that's how it does it. You might need a browser to do that. Okie dokie. Martyn Lucas, what's the thing? What was the thing in Russian? What was the thing in Russian? What do you mean? What did I say? What did I say? I said it in English, and that was my translation. So basically, what I said was, "Welcome to the show. Welcome our friends in Russia, and lovely to have you here. I'm live 10 hours a day." It translated what I said into Russian. So I like to welcome people in their own language. So if we get somebody in from a country and they have a different, their own language is not English, I will say something to them. You'll hear me say it, and then I play it back in their language. That's why I do that. All right. By the way, you got 2 minutes chat delay. No, we don't. We have no delay at all. Let me explain, Smitzy. This is why you're behind the stream. We don't have any delay at all. So let me show you how you can get round being delayed. This is what you're watching now. This is the live stream, whether it's on a computer or a mobile. This is where we are, right? This works the same. You see the live button on your phone or your mobile or your computer. If that live button is gray, you can see I'm behind the stream. You can go back. You could be hours behind. You could be an hour behind, right? All you do is click the live. Now you're 30 seconds behind. The reason we do this is so we can have closed captions. You have to have a delay to have closed captions. However, you can come up within 10 seconds of the show. All right? How you do that is you click the cogs. Again, same on a computer, same on a mobile. You click the cog here. You click playback speed here. Go 2 times. And now you are within 10 seconds of me speaking live of the show. All right. How you do that is you click the cogs. Again, same on a... See, it speeds up. And now you're just behind me 10 seconds. So you don't actually need to be behind the stream or be behind at all. When you catch up, you'll be able to answer me and you'll know what I just told you is right. Okay. Morning, everyone. I see that Cathie Wood, ARK Invest have just added 800,000 shares of Rocket Lab this week alone. Rocket Lab, indeed. It was oversold. That's why I bought it, but I've also traded it as well. Nonny, good morning all. 3.1 at end. Smitzy, 3.1 at end. Not sure what you mean. You were up 3.1 last night. Congratulations to you. That's a good result. Canada, thank you very much. Bank of Nova Scotia, good dividend stock. Thank you, AF. Hi, Martin. Love the Tom Jones James Bond song. Brilliant. Looking forward to music night tonight. Thanks, James. I can also do Matt Monroe, which is from Russia with Love. That sounds like this. From Russia with love, I fly to you, much wiser since my goodbye to you. I travel the world To learn I must return from Russia with love. There's From Russia with Love. What about Live and Let Die? We can do that. When we were young and your heart was an open book, you used to say, live and let live. Live and Let Die. We've also got Skyfall. Adele, I can do Skyfall as well. So lots of James Bond songs. You could request those in tonight's show. I think Mitzi means you're reading the comments a bit late. I see. I'm reading them as fast as I can. Martyn Lucas Investor. Yes, I know. I'm always live, but it was the CC. Okay. No, Martin, you will be up 3.1 at market close. Oh, will I? Very nice indeed. Okay. Also, it should be back now. Okay. Liam Laffey. No, your badge isn't back yet. Have you just become a member? It's not showing yet in the chat. It would have a badge next to your name if you were. Smitzy. All right. Virgin Galactic, I'm still buying. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Now then. It's Friday phone-in at 9 o'clock. So we're going to have a Friday phone-in at 9 o'clock today, which is in 40 minutes from now. Here we go. Hamster has translated the language, done it in Russian now. Let me read it out in Russian. This is what Hamster has just written to me.
Friends, Martyn does everything to make absolutely everyone feel comfortable in the family, and as always, I will drink vodka for you, my friend, during your concert.
There you go. I love it. And in Russian...
Друзья, Мартин все делает для того, чтобы абсолютно каждому было уютно в семье. И я, как всегда, выпью за тебя водки, мой друг, во время твоего концерта.
Friends, Martyn does everything to make absolutely everyone feel comfortable in the family, and as always, I will drink vodka for you, my friend, during your concert.
I love it. Okay, FFIE. I've got a sell order. I want to be out of this stock, make some money on it. I don't believe in the company. I think it's a terribly run company. I'm not a fan, so I want to be out. 100% true. Thank you so much, Smitzy, for that. I'll take out the scotch. All right. So let's see if we can get some money now then. So is my strategy working today? Well, let's have a look. Warren Buffett is in blue. He's going down. The S&P, his favorite stock market, his favorite stock is going down. Berkshire Hathaway down. I am beating them all. I'm going up and up more than them. So very good. Today is a good day. Very nice indeed. Liam Laffey, is it back now, Martin? Yes, it is. We've got a member returned. You can't stay away long, can you? You can't stay away long. We've got a new member. Let's do it. We got a new member, Liam Laffey. Liam Laffey is back. There he is. Hey! Liam Laffey is back. Wonderful, Liam. Liam, are you upgraded on Discord? Are you upgraded on Discord? And are you is everyone following me on X for my post? Because I tell you what I'm buying and selling before I do it. There's my X account. Make sure that you're following me on X. Oh, and by the way, we're about to start a new show on Sunday with Sensei. It's his first show. You've never seen him. You don't know what he looks like. It's the big reveal today. You're going to find out about it on Sunday, later on today, and you're going to see for the very first time Sensei Crypto. So there's my X account. If you've not yet followed me, I reply to everyone's questions. All my members answer all your questions. Let's have a look. I've got Mike. I just got a follow here. I think, not sure what language that is. Thank you very much for the follow. Thanks, Mike. Reposted. Go, get the money. Yes, indeed. And I reply to all of you, if you've ever wanted to grow on X, the way to grow on X is have somebody who's got a good account that will engage with you. That's the best way. If I could get Elon Musk to comment on me, my channel would explode, right? If I was engaging with him. So if you want to grow your X account, engage with me and I'll always engage back and it will promote your account. That's how it works. Yes, go. So I'm trying to help Mike all the time. I always reply to Mike. All my members, I will reply to you and do my best. Mr. Bogue has liked 4 of my posts. Excellent. Mr. Bogue, I was going to say, is quite a big deal over on, it's very, very hard to grow on StockWits, by the way. Very hard to grow. And Mr. Bogue over here, look, he's following me. Look, Mr. Bogue has got 348 followers on StockWits. That's very impressive. But there you go. Very impressive indeed, Mr. Bogue. So anyway, thank you for your support there. So anyway, if you're not following me on StockTwits at the moment and you want to, it's a good place. All right, there you go. Very useful. Okay, Liam Laffey, yes, still in Discord, Martin. Good stuff. All right, just want to make sure, Liam, have I upgraded you? If you just comment in the welcome all, I can check to see if you've got the membership, because it will expire once you don't become a member. So if you go into welcome all, Liam, if you do that now, I will upgrade you again as a member, because you can lose it. You can lose it when you are not a member. You lose the privileges. I want to add you back in. So if you can go in there, just say hello. I will make sure everything is good for you. All right? Okay, so then we're trying to sell FFIE. It might not happen. Rocket Lab, we also want to buy it back down again. Here it is. We took a profit last night. We're holding our long-term position. We're not selling that. I agree with Kathy Wood on this. However, I do want to take profit. Liam Laffey, there he is. Liam Laffey. Okay, let me just double check. Name still correct. Good. Roles. Yeah, let me put that membership. Okay. All right, you're all done. We are friends. Yeah. Liam. Yes. Yes. Yep, still friends. Okay, there's Liam. Okay, Liam, you've got your membership. Yeah, I've made sure it's back, and I've added you as we are friends on Discord, so that's all fine and dandy. All right, good. Okay. Now then, we're looking good. Now it's half an hour to go for Friday phone-in. The Friday phone-in, have I not got my Berkshire, my Mellon? Yeah, I need to open Berkshire. BRK. Every Friday, we have a phone-in, a Friday phone-in. We're doing that today. So if you want to be live on the show, that's in half an hour from now. If you are not in yet, you're not a member and you want to phone in and you want to be on the show, you've got literally no time to do it. You've got to do it right now, because it takes 10 minutes to go through the security to get into Discord, so then we can upgrade you to be on the show. So if you want to do it, you need to be a member. And oh yes, is Bill here? I want to is Bill here today? Bill's not in. I wanted to tell everybody how many members we've got now, thanks to Bill. So, but he's not here. So I want to wait till Bill comes in, ideally. Okay, we've got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. So let's have a quick dash. Let's have a quick dash, everyone. We do this every day. It's very, very important for everyone, mainly to benefit you. I don't, it doesn't make me money by you liking the video, right? 49 people watching. We try to get to 50%. We're over 50%. Now, 99.5% up like my video. However, only 50% on average vote. That's just the way it is. Most people don't bother or they're not logged in. Let's get everyone to like the video. The reason for this, if you like the content and you want to see more, tap the like button every day. If you don't like the content, and that's fine, I might not like you, it's perfectly acceptable, please tap the down like button. If you tap the down like button, it will show you content that you would rather see, and that suits me because then you're happy, you find what you want, you go out into the world and be more positive, and we find the people that love what we do and we grow a more positive channel. So there you go, tap the like or the down like. I don't mind what you do something. No, 30%, that's fantastic. That's way over 50%. Thank you very much indeed. Right, here we go. It's bell time. Let's get ready to go. You ready? Okay, smash the like, says a man from Earth. Thank you. Now, a man from Earth, thank you for your understanding about sponsoring the bell. A man from Earth was asked me to sponsor the bell today. The thing is, he gave me a super chat and said, I want to sponsor the bell tomorrow. It didn't give me enough time to do it. However, I tried, but it didn't give me enough time. So I said to him, is Monday okay? And he said, that's fine. It gives me more time to prepare it because it's not just the printing on the bell. It's not just that. It's also, I want to put your links below, and I also want to put some animation on the screen and tell everybody about your vacation discounts as well. So I want to do all of that. All right. So that Monday will work much better. Thank you for your understanding. It's only so I can do it better for you. Okay. All right, here we go. We're going to ring the bell in 20 seconds. The stock race is about to begin. I've got sell orders all over the place, buy orders all over the place, and let's get ready to rock and roll in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are off to the races with a dip. And there we go. That's Sensei's information. You can go. Oh, shot is just gone up 7%. Let me have a quick look at where we are right now. Shot, safety shot, duplicate. We're looking for safety shot. It's just popped up. Safe, SOHT, safety shot. Can we make some money out of this? Not just yet. It's getting close though. Let's see if we can make some money today from safety shot. Okay, markets are green at the moment. I'm beating Warren Buffett. I'm beating everybody again. Virgin Galactic, let's rock and roll. Virgin Galactic is going up. We're looking for a dip. We want to buy it back. Okay, Berkshire Hathaway going down. We can't sell that just yet. We want to turn that into S&P. Safety shot is moving up 7%. Let's see if we can make this a very, very small micro trade. It's nothing, just a bit of fun, but we do want to make profit from it every day if we can. Okay, we're at a wash right now. Let's see if it makes any money. I'll keep my eye on it. We'll come back to it in a second. It's just drifting a little bit. Palantir going up. Gold going up. The S&P is up 0.14. We want to buy some more today if we can. Amazon's going back up. Mullen's going up. It's rubbish. It's a junk stock. Apple just up but falling back. Next Era Energy. I've got 11% before I can sell this on my Roth position anyway. Enphase going up. Coca-Cola going up but pulling back. J&J going down. Time to buy some more nearly. Kenvue up today. CVX only 5% to go before I can start selling it. We've got a discount coming again in Tesla. It's just dipping down. Rivian going up. McDonald's is going down, up at the moment. Google, it's a buy, 3% under where I sold it. Definitely a buy right now. I could buy Google. Microsoft is too expensive. Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, still too much. Robinhood going back up again. Doing very well on my Robinhood position. I'm beating the market, beating Warren Buffett as well. IonQ is up. Rocket Lab is up. We took a profit. We're holding our long-term position. As you can see, we're just 11% down now. And we took our scalp trade last night. Plug. We're still down on it. What's my scalp position? My scalp is in down 6%. I do want to sell plug when it makes me money. Proctor, Rumble, 1% to go. I want to make some profit from Rumble today. FFIE is going back down again. Didn't make it today. Bitcoin is down 0.12 and Polygon is down as well. Okay, there we go. Who won the stock race this morning? It looks like I'm ahead of the market and Warren Buffett, but no trades yet. Nothing cheap enough. I sold my Virgin Galactic this morning before the bell. I posted it so you knew I did it ahead of time. So you already have that information. Let's have a quick look here. Any comments on X? No, nothing there this morning. Just want to make sure we've got everything. Yeah, we're all up to date there. Okay. Got 33 likes now, which is about 80%. Thank you very much indeed, guys. Let's go Virgin. No problem at all. A man from Earth. Thank you. Fibonacci Green. Okay. So there is no opportunity yet. We've already done our business this morning. We're keeping our eye. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We've got a 1% profit. Now, I only bought 10 shares of this. Nothing at all. It's an interesting stock. We're learning more about it. Mr. Bogue brought it to our attention. However, no matter how small the profit is, the way I always look at this is if I put money in the bank, I'll earn 0.5% all year. I've earned 1% on it in minutes. So it's only 20 cents. However, it's a profit. It's a tax-free profit. And I have no issue with taking 20 cents. If I saw 20 cents on the floor, I'd pick it up. Paul Stone. Here he is. I've been waiting to speak to you, Paul. I missed how much your Robinhood referral prize was. I got $5.35. Paul Stone, are you in the UK? I'm like, are you in the UK? Because I checked last night. I thought, has Robinhood suddenly released? It hasn't. Where are you, Paul? I got $5 of Tesla. I got $5 and I bought Tesla. So thank you, Paul Stone, for claiming your free stock. You got $5.35. I got $5. So we made $10.35 for free out of Robinhood yesterday. Thank you very much. Where are you from, Paul? I thought you were in the UK for some reason. I'm like, I'm in Vegas. That's right. I've seen the pictures now. Yes, I remember you sent me the pictures. I was thinking, because at the moment you did that, I thought, hang on a minute, have I missed Robinhood coming out in the UK? I got Tesla too. It was a very good idea. Congratulations. Now, for those of you who are thinking, what the hell is he talking about? I want some free stock. Everybody here can have free stock if you are in the US. If you're in the UK, it's coming later. But right now, let me give you the link. There it is. I click earn stock. You can get between 5 and 200. Somebody got an Apple share. Let me give you the link. Share the link. Copy so you can see what I'm doing. I then go over into the YouTube stream, give you the link. If you click on this, if you're in the US, you will get free stock of Robinhood between 5 and 200. You might as well go and do it. I get some as well, so we all win, and very exciting. Thank you, Paul, for doing it. I knew it was you, even though you wasn't in the stream yesterday, because it came up Paul S, and I just assumed it would be you. So brilliant. Anyway. There you go. Fantastic. So thank you for that. If anyone else does it. Now then, I'm just making money with Safety Shot. And so we're going to take a small profit and then we're going to buy it back again. Because I'm starting to like some of the things around this company. I'm doing more research since I interviewed Mr. Bogue. However, we've got to make profit. And some of you are going to go, why on earth are you selling it for 20 cents? I bought my house with hundreds of $1 tips, remember. I have no issue with selling and making a profit. I'm an investor here to make money. That's it. So trade, sell, because we'll go down in a minute, I'm sure. Limit order 153, 153. I bought it at 151 and continue today. Yes. And I will sell 9 shares. I'm going to keep my market share because I'm going to stay in it and I'm going to make 20 cents, 1%, 32. Here we go. Watch me do it in 3, 2, 1, swipe up. And there we go. Let's see if it goes through. 153, order received, placed. It's not gone through yet. It's not quite made enough money yet. Let's see if it goes through. Hang on a minute. Estimate. Oh, yeah, that's right. 14. Yeah, that's right. 153. It's just drifting off. It might not quite go through. Now, it's only 20 cents, but it's a profit. And if I keep banking profits, that's what it's all about. If it doesn't go through, oh, it's falling off now. Yeah, see, I knew it'd fall off. And the point is, it will go back down to below 151, and then I'll buy double the amount. I'll maybe buy 50 shares at 150 or 148. That's the idea, and keep making profit like that. But it doesn't look like I'm going to get it. I'll leave it there. I'm not going to readjust it. It's got to go up half a cent and I'll get it. But anyway, it's only 20 cents, but 20 cents is 20 cents. Profit is profit. Okay. What is Safety Shot? Safety Shot, I've got a video coming out today about it. It was scheduled for yesterday and the day before, but it will definitely come out today because I'm ending the show early today to make sure it's done. And you'll learn all about it. You'll learn all about Safety Shot. I got Tesla too. I moved from Canterbury. That makes sense. Now I get it. Have you ever got a $200 stock from Robinhood? Is it random? Have I ever got one? Yes. I got, yes, I did. I forget what it was now. Somebody got an Apple stock. One of you guys got an Apple stock for $200. I can't remember what it was, but it's gone up to 153 again. But remember, it's got to, there we go. It might just go through now. It needs to go to like 153 and a half, but you don't see that, but that's what it needs to do. It's random, Neil. Yeah, it's random. Well, yeah, it's huge. Absolutely. Everyone should do it. I don't know why everyone hasn't done it. I give you the link. Go and set it up. Anyway. Okay, see if we can get it. And then I'll buy it back on the dip. Go on. Yeah. Anyway, whatever. Bit of fun. Okay, we're still beating Warren Buffett. We're still beating the S&P. So we're good. Anyway, let's have a look. We want to sell FFIE today. I don't like where the company's going. I didn't like it in the first place. I was quite annoyed by their earnings presentation. There might be an opportunity today. I think it's falling away now. We often get a little bounce and then it just disappears again. It's like Mullen. It's just a scam stock, really. Well, it's not a scam stock. It's just designed to build a brand. They're using our money to pay to build a brand, and that's no good for me as an investor. All right. What can we do now? Virgin Galactic? Aha! Time to buy Virgin Galactic again. Yes. I sold it for 184, and now we buy it back again. Perfect. Do you see space going to 2 in the next couple of days? No, because it's the weekend. Not a bloody check. Right, here we go. Buy Virgin Galactic back. Very good. Buy Virgin Galactic back now. SBCE. It's going back down again. So buy limit order. This is just my scalp position. $1.80. Anything now is value. Anything is value now. So here we go. We're only going to buy a small position in it. It's just a little tiny thing. I haven't released the capital from my other shares yet. So anyway, anything under lower in the position is fine. Shot sold. There we go. We made a profit on shot. We made, I think, nearly 2%. I'll just check it in a second. 180. So we've got a bit more money now. We've got more money. So now I'm going to buy back. I'm going to buy back 50. Hang on. Here we go. 60. How much money have we got now? 102, 60. Whoops. 55, 99. That'll do. 55. Review. Okay, here we go. Anything under 180 is a buy. Even 180. Anything under $2 is undervalue. So we're going to buy it again. I've got my finger on the button. And it's only 55 shares because I just made 2% profit from shot. If we go back to shot, we will see that I made a profit on shot. There you go. See? Oh, I made 1.2%. 1.2%. That's fine. 1.2% is a profit. I don't care. And we now go back to Virgin Galactic. And sorry, I wasn't sharing you shot. There you go. I made 1.2% on shot. Even if it's little profits, it's better than losing money right now because the market is trending down now for the rest of the year. So it doesn't matter. Right, here we go. Virgin Galactic. Anything under 180, as we trend down, we're going to buy back. And because we sold Virgin Galactic this morning, I made, was it 3% this morning on it? And now I've made a 1.2% on short. I've now got $102 tax-free, money I didn't have before, with my capital built in, obviously, to buy Virgin Galactic. I don't want to pay 181. I want to pay less than I paid before. 180 is fine. I can set it to go at 180 because anything under 2 is fine. Here we go. It's starting to break down. 180. I'm going to wait I'm just going to try and get it for 179. But it's got resistance here, or it's got support anyway. Baron Handley, good morning. Hello, Martin. How are you? 180. I'll buy it at 180. I don't care. Let's see if I can get that. It might or might not. It doesn't matter. Order placed. Let's see if it goes through. And we'll have a scalp position again, more than we had before. And is it going to go through? Now, my long-term position is where I add to build it, to lower my averages. Long-term, I'm holding this, taking me up to 4,000 shares, but I do want to just scalp trade that. Right, we'll look back at shot, and if it goes back down, we'll buy it again. Berkshire Hathaway, I want to sell it when it pops up. 181, just on that button. FFIE, oh, it's going up again. We got 6% to go. It might happen today. Rocket Lab going up. Great in my long term, but if I can get a drop, then I'll add to it. Anything now is undervalue. So that's why we can scalp trade this without any real fear, because we're buying undervalue and we can take profits consistently over and over again. Anyway, let's go through our positions. Virgin Galactic hasn't gone through yet. I want to buy it at 180. Intrinsic value of space is under $1, Chris Pickering. The value of the company is under $2, and we're going to explain that as well. I've got a video coming out today with the full breakdown of the value of Virgin Galactic in detail, with the chart, with all the specifications, all the information you need. We're going to bring that. That's coming out today. All right. Right. 180. 180. Trying to get Virgin Galactic. It's at 180. Just bouncing off there. I'm still beating Warren Buffett, the S&P. Warren Buffett's in blue, the S&P's in pink, I'm in green. So I'm beating all three, which is good. If I can just get 180, I'll be good. Berkshire going down. I want to buy that. Want to sell that when I can. Safety Shot is up 8% today. We took a small profit. Palantir, good. We're going up. We've got profit here in 13%. How many space shares you up to in your long term? 1,400 out of 4,000. That's my allocation for it. Gold, S&P. Want to buy back the S&P now under 400. So we'll start doing that again soon. Amazon going up. Virgin Galactic is at 180. Virgin Galactic, I'm back in on Virgin Galactic at 180. All right, okay, here we go. Now let me check. Have I got a day trade? Any day trades left? I think I have. I've let them reset. Let me have a quick look on my Roth IRA. I think I've got a couple back now. Yes, I have. I've got 2. That's fine. It's Friday. That's all I need. Okay, so we're back on Virgin Galactic again. Just a small position, 179. If I can buy some more as we go down, I will. My long-term position is fine. 179, holding 20,712 space. Congratulations to you. XRP, moving up, but it's down overall today. Polygon. Bitcoin is down. Rio Tinto's moving up. FFIE. I've got a sell order to sell it. It'll be about 4% profit, but I'll take it. It might happen. It's trending up again now. It's a rubbish company. It's a great car, but it's a rubbish company as far as an investor's concerned. If you're an investor. Rumble. I'm trying to get out of this. I'm 3% to go. Very close. Fun plug, very close, 8%, we could swing that. Rocket Lab, going back down again, so I want to buy it under 448. Okay, if we can get some money out of Virgin Galactic, we will buy Rocket Lab going down. If we can get our FFIE as well. Look, it's not that long to go, 4% to go. Come on. FFIE, 4% to go. It's trending up. It's broken its resistance this morning. 4% to go. It can do it. It can do it. And I'd like to make 5% profit from it. And then that money will go straight into me buying back Rocket Lab as Rocket Lab is trending down. That's undervalued as well. So I want that. That's good. Virgin Galactic is now at 179. Tilray, I'm not going to buy it until it's around about the 220. If then at all, I'll reassess it at that point. I want to buy back into Google, but I've got another 7% to go down. I want to get a 10%. I sold it at 50%. I want to sell it at 40% up, which is a 10% discount from where I sold it. I want to be in the stock long term, but I want to make sure that I don't just wipe out the profit. It's kind of pointless. Virgin Galactic is now 179. It went to 178 for a moment. Tesla. We've got an opportunity to buy Tesla now. We do want to get more Tesla, but we've not bought and made any profit yet. Okay, I'm still green. Still beating Warren Buffett, just falling behind the S&P slightly, 178. Virgin Galactic is bringing me down now, but that's why we want to scalp trade it at the same time as our long-term position. Okay. Berkshire, 1.8 to go. Safety Shot. We took our profit. We're out of it at the moment, waiting for the drop. Palantir, gold, S&P. We want to buy more. Amazon. Mullen, Apple, FFIE is up 10%. FFI, oh, here we go. 2% to go. It's moving. We've got at 420. We are selling our position at 420. 1.97. Come on. 420. We'll sell this, and then I'll use it to buy Virgin Galactic, which is now 179. Tesla bounce, Tesla, a little bit, yes. I want to buy it here on my main account, though. Back to FFIE. Come on. 10% up. 1.92. I would like to make 5%. 2.36 to go. It is trending now. It's moving. Come on. Little bit to go. Oh, there we go. There we go. 11%. It's moving. We're down just $4. I want to sell it for $4.20. $4.20. Come on, $4.20. And we'll have about $430 with the profit, tax-free, to buy Virgin Galactic at 178. That is the plan. That is the plan. I might split that over Rocket Lab as well. Just have a look at Rocket Lab. Come on, only a little bit to go. FFIE, come on. I'm just about at a wash. Just about at a wash. 420. I'll sell it. Come on. News that FI appointed an insider as CEO. I don't like the company. Loud work. Thank you for that information. I don't want to be in this company anymore. I don't like how it operates. Some of the people that talk to me, I don't like the way they act and what they think. So just bought 26 shares of margin. Just bought 26 shares of margin. What do you mean of margin? On margin? You're using margin to... What do you mean? Oh, a Virgin. Oh, okay. 178. I'll be with you in a second. It's 177 now. If I can sell my Faraday for a 5% profit, 420, I will jump in with Virgin Galactic. That's exactly what I intend to do. Okay, we are red. Studio's gone red. Boo. But I'm still beating Warren Buffett, so that's fine. Virgin Galactic 177. I want to buy it at 177. We've got to scalp trade our money out of it. There you go. Now goes down safety shot. Safety shot, we can buy it back later with the profit we made if we've not already committed to Virgin Galactic. Right. Come on, 404. I'm right just about on a wash. Is it running out of steam? It is now trending to the top of the overbought level, but that's not really that important. Virgin Galactic is trying to find support at 177. 404. Oh, so close. So close. This would be fantastic. If I can just make a 5% profit on Faraday, get myself $430 liquidity to jump in to Virgin Galactic and buy a new all-time low. I'm sure I can make money on that again, so I can make 5% twice. I'd be very, very happy. It'd be a good day. My aim is to make $200 a day trading. That's the idea. When we can. Red days are the days you can do that. You can't, on green days, I just hold and reinvest dividends or whatever. But on red days is when we actually make money. Everything on Virgin, says Niels. Well, let's see. 405, come on. Virgin Galactic 178. Berkshire, we got another 2% to go before we can sell it. Safety shots going straight back down again. That's what we knew. 151. So I can start buying back now under 151. I made a profit on the way up, and I now can buy it back lower. But I haven't made the money yet on. I haven't made the money yet out of what I've just. What did I just buy a minute ago? What did I just buy? I bought Virgin Galactic, didn't I? Did I? I forgot what did I just buy a minute ago? Yeah, I bought Virgin Galactic, didn't I? Forgetting what I'm doing now. Anyway. FFIE. Oh, yes. Okay. Right, we're up $4. We're up $1. Here we go. 416. Get in. Right, we're up 1.73. Oh, go on. 4 more cents. 1%. Come on. Let me out. Give me a 5% profit. I'll take it. I don't know what 420 is. It's about, I think it's going to be about 2% profit. But that's fine. 416, 417, 417. 1.5%. It'll be about 2%. 418. Go on. 18. Go on. I want to buy Virgin Galactic 178. 418. Come on, get in. 18. Oh, go. It's right on the button. Come on. Go. 417. 417. It'll be 8. I think about a 2% profit. It's not a lot, but I don't care. This will keep trending down for a while, particularly this part of the year. It might run up, and somebody might say, well, it could go to $8. It could do anything. I don't care. I don't care about what I didn't trade. I just care about what I did trade. If I make profit, it doesn't matter. I'm not trying to time the market, beat the market, or just want to make consistent profits, and eventually I'll reach my $200,000 goal. That's all I want to do. 414. Running out of steam. I might just sell it for 414 and take a 1% profit rather than go back down again. We can always find lower levels on this stock. I am in the profit, but it's running out of steam. 416. Come on. If I lose it, I'll be disappointed because Virgin Galactic's now 177. I'd rather take a 1% profit than 2, as opposed to it going back down again and being 5 or 10% down, which we could be down very, very quickly. A profit is a profit, no matter how small it is, rather than losing money. It's being sold a bit now, isn't it? It's giving up again. Okay. That's the trouble with a limit order. Manually, I could have just swiped up and I'd have been out. But anyway, 411. Is it going to go? We're at 177 now on Virgin Galactic. We want to be in there. 176. See, I'll miss. What? 414. It's at 415. 416. 417. 417. Come on. 418. Now Virgin Galactic is at 177. 418. Oh, it's hit a resistance point. 418. Come on. 2 more cents. Yay. Faraday, FFIE. Let's get out of it. Let's cancel that limit order and just do a manual. Cancel the order. 419. Oh, it went bloody hell. Oh, what the hell? Hang on. It's 421. Yay. Trade. Sell. Sell all. 19. 20. 20. Go. Sold for 419. I'm very, very happy with that. I'm out of FFIE on my Roth IRA. Good. Now then, we've just sold it. I think we made like a 2% profit. Don't care. 2% is 2%. Now we've got $422. Now we can go back and everyone's going to say, but how do you feel? How do you feel if it carries on going up? I couldn't care less. I've made profit. Now we're going to go back to Virgin Galactic again. Let's show you what I'm doing. Back to Virgin Galactic. 177 and buy. Limit order. Back to Virgin Galactic. It is now at $1.77. Continue. Continue. 3 p.m. today. Yeah. This time I want to buy 100 shares. 100 shares. Review. Just 100. I'm going to look at Rocket Lab as well. 177, 100 shares, and 177. Go. 177. See if I can get it. Got it at 177. 177. There you go. My average is now dropped to 178. I've got 156 shares in there. All right, we've got some extra cash. We've made some money. Now we want to sell it for 182. Let's have a quick look. So my overall portfolio, I'm just in the red at the moment. Virgin Galactic 176. I'll buy another 100 at 170. Berkshire Hathaway now 182 to go. I'm nearly there. Safety shot. It's not gone cheap enough yet. Palantir. On my Roth, I'm not buying any more there yet. That won't bring me in profit quick enough. Procter, Rum, no. Funware going back down. FFIE is 417. We sold it at 420. Fine. I'm out of the stock. I don't want to be in it. Rum, let's have a look. Rocket Lab 455. I'm at 448. It's too expensive. Virgin Galactic is going up 178. Let's get a trade out of Virgin Galactic if we can. Yep. Have I got any day trades left? Investing. Yes. Roth IRA. Do it on your Roth IRA. You don't pay any taxes. Yes. I've got 2 more left. So no issues at all because I haven't done a day trade yet. I bought and sold, but in different stocks. So that's okay. Rocket Lab, SPCE. Okay, we're making money again. Okie dokie. So let's get ready to... We've got $246. I could buy more on Virgin Galactic, but we're trying to bounce from here. I would rather buy it at 170 than to jump in. End phase 2 days gains gone in 30 minutes. Yeah. Let me have a quick look. It's not worth me buying that right now because it won't make a difference. It won't allow me to trade it. Safety shot, no. Palantir, still no. SNP, not yet. Amazon still going up. Mullen, rubbish. Don't touch it. Apple going up. NEE. No, not yet. Not yet. Enphase, yet. That's gone back down again. 10%. Okay. Enphase 120. Let me have a look. That's a low. Enphase 1. Yep. I'm going to buy Enphase here. Enphase. Let's get it in. Quick. Enphase. Buy 134, 120. Buy. I'll buy 2. Limit order. 121. Let me show you what I'm doing. 121. Market orders. Whoops, a daisy. 121. Continue. Yes. By 2. 242. 246. Yes. Okay, that'll take me. All right, here we go. My average now is down 10%. If you watch it, my average is down 10%. 10% will now go down to 6% down. There we go. Much better. That won't take me long to get out of that. Okay, go back to Virgin Galactic. We can make some money there. Let's go. We're now beating the market again. If we go back over to here, you can see I'm coming up again. I'm in the green. We've made some money there. We are chasing Warren Buffett. We're just behind the S&P, and that is good. All right, now what we want to do is sell our Virgin Galactic again. We've just bought Enphase and lowered our averages from 10% down to 6% down. So I'm very happy. That's now a good value for Enphase. I've only got to make 6% and I can be out of that. My portfolio is rising quickly. If we see it now, it's going up. Yes, I'm beating Warren Buffett and I'm chasing the S&P as well. So we're doing very, very well now. I like it. Now we want to go back to Virgin Galactic. God, this is quick this morning, right? Virgin Galactic. Okay, we're making profit. We're up nearly 1%. Here we go. I love this. Is everyone having a good time? Is everyone making money? Is everyone making money and enjoying the show? Let me know in the comments. Are you all doing these trades, making money? Opportunities are all over the place today. So we're up 0.39. So get ready to trade. Sell Virgin Galactic. Limit order. What we bought it at 178. So we're going to set it for 179. And all we're going to do is we're not going to sell it there. We're just going to have it manually. So it'll guarantee I do something, but I'll try and sell it at 180. Continue market hours. Here we go, 179. That's not yet. I've got 155 shares. That'll bring me back in 277. Right. We're at 178 right now, 155 shares out of 156. If we get to we want to make 2% profit on it. I'm no day trader, but love to see you making money. If you're making money, you can just keep adding to your long-term positions, and no matter how they go down, you saw what happened to my end phase, which is a long-term position. I've just lowered it from 10% down to 6% down. By making profits consistently, tax-free, I'm just consistently lowering my positions, gaining more profits, gaining more shares. You can't lose doing that. And just don't be, people go, well, why are you bothered about making pennies and dollars? Because it all adds up. Anyway, that's how I've got my portfolio from 5,000 to 55,000 in 2 years. Anyway, let's do it again. So we're at 155 shares. We want to sell at 179. That will be a profit. We're already up 0.1. We want to get up 2%, really. Here we go. That's now 0.4%. Let's see if we can get a bit more. What happened to FFIE? Just a matter of interest. It's come back down again. I sold it at 420, so I called that right. That was spot on. Sold at 420. I'm not looking to buy it again, even though I can trade it and make money from it. I just don't believe in it. All of a sudden, the stock could get it could get reverse split again and go to zero. So I don't want it, no matter if it's easy to make money on it or not. I just don't want to be in it. 179. Okay, here we go. I can sell it now for a $1 profit with 39.39, but I'd rather wait for 180, 181. But it's still trending down. If I can make a profit of 1 or 2%, I can always buy it back at 170 because it is going to 150. AF made $140 on Amazon calls. I don't do options trading. It's not for me. Congratulations to you. Just purchased another 1,000 Virgin Galactic 177. Total now 5,200. Fan flipping tastic. Is this the time to buy Nvidia? Nvidia. A lot of inside information now that Nvidia falsified their numbers and actually created sales that didn't exist. I don't like it. I said at the time it was overbought. Everyone got carried away. I'm not buying Nvidia. I think the whole thing is a bloody joke. It got massively, ridiculously overbought, insanely overbought. But there you go. People do these things. No, I won't touch it. I won't touch it. Right, 178. I pay a lot of fees on my broker, $2 per trade. Niels, later in the year, you'll get my referral for Robinhood. You can do exactly what I'm doing. Make money consistently. No fees. You can do the same thing, and you'll get free stocks for doing it. All right, so 178. And as you can see, it's trying to go back down again. So a profit is a profit. I could even sell it now, even where it is, because it is running out of steam again, and we'll get the next leg. So don't be afraid to take a profit, even if it's just a tiny profit. Let's have a look. 178. It's got some resistance again now. See how it's starting to be sold again, which means you don't want to be around, right? You want to be out. Long-term position, fine. Add to it, but don't hang around. Here we go. See, it's selling off again. So 179. We're going to watch it and we're going to get out. I could sell it now, but I'm going to get out at 179 if I can. This is fun. Okay, where are we now? It's blimey, I forgot the time. It's just gone 11 minutes past 9. So let me do this, and it's time for Friday phone-in. Let me open up the Discord lounge. The broadcast lounge. It's Friday phone-in. I forgot all about it. Oh my gosh. Okay, the broadcast lounge is open. When everybody who wants to call in today, come into the broadcast lounge. It's now open. This is where you'll come. It's Friday phone in. I'm sorry, I forgot. I was doing my trades. Sometimes we have to do that. Jump on in, all members who want to have the Friday phone in. I want to hear what your favorite trades are, what you're doing, what you're looking forward to next week, how the week has been for you. On video, call in. The broadcast lounge is open. Let's see who's going to join me today for the Friday phone-in. 178. Are we going to get out of this? It's trending back down again, and we don't want to be stuck in it. We want to make sure that we get our money to buy it at 170. A long-term position is different. We've just bought Enphase Energy. There we go. Who jumped on in? Zach Zate's in. We got Loud Work in. Great. Everyone's coming in. We got 2 guests already in on the Friday phone in. If you want to be in, members only, jump into Discord. Zach Zate and Loud Work are in. And I'm really excited to talk to them. You can turn your cameras on. You can unmute yourself. Get yourself ready because I've got the channel muted. So you're absolutely good to go. No problem at all. Virgin Galactic. Come on. 178. 178. And we're going to get this just before we do the Friday phone in. I want to just quickly take a trade on this. It doesn't matter to me if I don't get it because I'm happy that price is undervalued anyway. And let's see what else we've got. We've got Amazon. We've got Mullen down there. Rubbish. Apple going back up. NEE going back up. Enphase going back up after I bought it. From 10% loss to 6% down. I'm loving it. So that's getting better all the time. Looking better. Enphase. It won't take long before we get some money out of Enphase. Virgin Galactic. I should have sold it at 178, even if it was a very small profit because it's running out of steam again and we can buy it back lower. FFIE. You can see, look, it trimmed off that 420. I was right to sell it at 420. No question about it. Rumble. We do want to get out of this one as well. That might be it for now. Plug. We want to sell this position as well. 8%. We were nearly there this morning. We were up 2. So we were about 4% shy of plug power. Rocket Lab. It's still waiting for us to buy it. IonQ, when it goes down another 100%, I'll buy it. Sounds ridiculous, right? But it has to. Robinhood, we're getting ready for to add more. Tesco, we want to buy it at 6. Walmart. Okay, I think we'll do our Friday phone in, and I'll keep myself on this position here. And if I'm able to sell it in, hang on, 178. 178. We are trending back down again. It's it's given up. It's given up again. Shall I amend that to 178 and get out of it? I just don't want to lose any money on it. There's no reason to lose money on this now. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set it at 179 and I can forget about it. Then I'll make a small profit. If I own it at this price, I don't mind. I can quadruple my position. As soon as I've sold my Enphase, which I will, I can buy it at 150 and I'll lower it anyway. So I'll do that now. At 179. Yeah. Okay. That way I can focus on my guess. 170s. Right, okay. I'm going to keep it there. Right, okay, we're right on the button now. Hopefully we can make another couple of percent on it. All right. Okay, it's Friday phone-in. It's time for our Friday phone-in. So let me go to here. How am I going to do this? Because I want to be keeping that trade open. Okay. Trying to think how I can clear that screen at the same time. It doesn't matter. All right, I'll do it this way. Right, here we go. Friday phone-in time. So there we go. We'll go to there. Right. It's Friday. It's time for our Friday phone in. This is the time of the week where we have our live guests phone in. Members can share their trades, how their week has been, what they're looking forward to next week. And as we do it, you can see I'm in the middle of a trade here, trying to make another profit on Virgin Galactic in my scalp trade. I'm sure that will come up in conversation in our Friday phone in. So we're going to unmute everybody. We're going to bring everybody into the broadcast. Let's get ready to go. This is looking good. And let's go over to our guests. We've got Loudwork and Sensei live on the show. Good morning, fellas. How are you today?
Good morning. Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. How are you, Loudwork? Good to have you here. What a day it's been today. A lot of trading in and out, lot going on. Sensei, let me come to you first of all. I like that T-shirt, by the way. That's very artistic. I like that. Is that that looks like is that a space helmet? Is it or is it a diver's helmet?
I love astronauts. I like everything about space. I got
Space.
full collection.
I love it.
already.
I love it. I love it. So we've got Sensei with us. For those of you who have not seen you before, Sensei, where are you from? Tell us where you're from and where you are from originally as well.
I represent the flag of Israel, Shabbat Shalom, and I live in California at the Bay Area, working as a contractor and servicing a remodeling project all over the Bay Area.
Wonderful stuff. And let me come back to Loudwork. Where are you from, Loudwork?
Chicago, Illinois, Martin.
Chicago, Illinois. Fantastic. Right then, let me start with you this morning, Zach. So, how's your week been? Are you up? Are you down? How are things going for you?
The week is phenomenal. As I told any other times, I'm not a day market. I'm a very long-term position.
Yeah.
And this week was very exciting thanks to you. I basically locked and loaded my old portfolio and I started a new one with your Robinhood application. So I started a new journey with the S&P companies, following Tesla with the $5 gift from you.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
thank you so much for that.
Welcome. Yeah, it's exciting, right? Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining my Robinhood family. Absolutely great. So, what do you think now? Virgin Galactic down at 178. Like you said, you're a long-term investor. I am too, but you know I like my long-term position and always making money from trading because that way, if the worst comes to the worst, it's not going to happen. But if the worst came to the worst and Virgin Galactic went to zero, I'm not actually at zero because I've made lots of profits doing it. And hopefully I've made enough profit that would actually compensate me completely. That's the idea. So I know you don't trade. You're just holding long. But how do you feel now we've got Virgin Galactic at 178? Are you concerned or are you just buying more?
No, I'm not concerned at all. And I'm a buyer. I buy. I got to my target. My target for a long time was to get to 5,000 shares.
Yeah.
If Virgin Galactic continued the journey with, and once again, less than a month, we got another 3 days from the 8th to the 5th. So it's even less than a month for another flight. I listened yesterday once again for the astronaut, our new astronaut that broadcast on Instagram, how we enjoyed the journey. I think I was speechless just to listen how they really take that flight into the next level. It's a ride that I'm always going to be excited as a flight going to come no matter what, as long as flights are coming. The big flights are the Delta. So yes, we're looking to 2026, but starting 5 years ago and keep buying, I believe, or bankruptcy. So we won't see zeros. We won't see $0.50. But
No.
if it gets to the dollar, and I'm a worker, I'm keep making money, I'm putting my sides, want to buy a house eventually. So if I'll get to the position that she will be in a dollar and the flights keep going, I will double my position. So
Yeah.
it's very easy on a small amount of money to buy more. But the volume of Virgin Galactic is very critical. And we can see those exciting days and we can see those slow days. So there is a full control on that company, and I like the progress of the flights. So I'm gonna keep following.
I think it's a very good point that you mentioned, a very, very important point that you mentioned, particularly in a very risky business of the rocket industry. The fact that not only have they stuck to the every month now, it's getting less than a month every time. And that's being noted. People are noticing that the schedule is slightly speeding up. So, you know, people are thinking, are we going to get 2 flights a month? Because obviously when we start getting that, that's when Virgin Galactic is, you know, properly profitable. It just can't make enough money from where 1 flight a month. But if it can start doing 2, which is of course what the Delta fleet's all about, that's when we start seeing profits going up, and then of course the share price will go up. So it's good that you've noticed that.
He mentioned once the rocket is going from the plane, he felt first time in his life he is actually sitting inside a rocket. He's in a rocket going right to space, and you see the dark, just like your song. You see the dark and you see the earth. I don't think anything can explain it to any human being. So Richard Branson started something here and left. Trevor from Nicola and we have you have your new member that I really like because I follow Nicola and Trevor left. Everybody that starting a company living, but we see the big ones, and that's why I said the good companies, those that works daily, and you see the product and you see them delivering on the road, that's America. This is the companies, that's the market of America. Every country have her own stock market. Every state, every place in the world have its own stock market. You mentioned you don't like the Chinese corruption government. We also had sometimes with corruption government that effect, but now we're doing a lot of clearing up from that corruption or making fake news that we used to have, because the real companies, and it's about every company and every opportunity and every idea, technology, high-tech, solars, every future in the whole world, you got to keep follow, but it will take the next probably 2-4 years. If you keep working, you keep making money, keep putting aside and investing. That's what I do. I'm a long term. I don't sell. And even if space will get to $10, I'm not going to sell. And if she'll get to 27, when I start my personal journey, I will start maybe to buy more.
I love it. I'll come back to you in a minute about what your plan is for next week and what you're looking forward to next week, because big week next week after we've had the reaction of the FOMC settle down, see how we start to rally if we do. I'll come back to you on that question in a minute. And also, I was very excited to see that you ordered one of my my fleeces, one of my hoodies. You'll have. I can't wait to see you wear that on the show with the crystal ball. Anyway, we'll come back to you in a second. I want to go to Loud Work. Oh, he's got the mug. I love it. Yeah, cheers, mate. I love it. Let's come to Loud Work right now. Thank you, mate. Stay right.
Maybe next week.
Yes, can't wait. Stay right there. I'll come back to you in a minute. Loud Work, how are you, mate? It's lovely to have you here. Is everything all right with you today?
Yeah, Martin, doing well. Thank you.
Brilliant. Great to have you here. So how was your week investing? Are you up? Are you down? What's happening with you this week?
It was a rough week in the market, watching everything go, and Fed coming out and kind of surprising everybody. Not what I expected. So, and also, sorry, I think I've got an alarm going off here, but
you okay? Take your time. No worries.
There we go.
There you go.
And also hearing, September supposedly is one of the worst months in the market anyway.
Yeah.
You've got all the Wall Street people, they're taking their summer vacations and everything. So I've kind of been sitting out for quite a while, the last couple of weeks. And now today things are starting to turn a little bit. And I think like what just happened with FFIE this morning is a perfect example. This is, maybe whether you want to be in this stock or not, this is going to be one of those EV kind of stocks that's going to have these pops every now and then. And if you're following it along the way, I think it can be rewarding along the way, even if the company isn't profitable over a long term. So I'm out of it completely right now, just like you are. But at the same time, I'm going to be watching for these little run-ups.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I do have a long-term position still, but because I don't think I can get my money out of it because I'm down like about 20% on my long-term, that's why I've been in and out scalping it. Because when we covered the earnings of FFIE, I like the technology, the car, the whole thing. It's great what they've managed to create. However, they're not concentrating on selling it right now. They're not. They said themselves. They said on their earnings,
Right.
it's about building a brand and spending the money and so on. We've seen the post. We've seen what's been going on. And for me, thank you, Abdullah, just for subscribing to my channel right over Loudwork's face there. I do apologize, Loudwork, for that. You never know when it's going to happen. But good stuff, right? So you got to make some money from it. And when the CEO was addressed and that question was put to him, are you going to sell cars? Are we going to see profits? They answered it and said, we're not even bothered about that right now. And that's fine for them. For those people, the founders of the company, because they're actually paying themselves a wage, just like Lucid, our famous story with Peter Rawlinson, CEO of Lucid, paying himself $500 million a year in salary, the fourth highest paid CEO. Well, the company loses $500,000 on every car. So we know it's great for Peter Rawlinson. And it's pretty good for the people who, everybody else that works there. They're all getting, they're all paying themselves a ridiculous amount of money. But from an investment point of view, just like we see when we watch Shark Tank, or whether we watch, Dragon's Den or whatever in England, these sharks say the same thing. You might have a great business, you might have a great product, but where is the return on my investment for me as an investor? So, at the end of the day, there's no benefit to me as an investor right now. So I want to make some money wherever I can, but it's very, very risky. So other than FFIE, what are you looking forward to for next week?
Still looking into semiconductor infrastructure for the whole AI revolution that's going to be coming. I'm looking into an ETF called SOX, SOXX. They have a basket of semiconductors that I think could do well.
Very sensible way of doing it. Very sensible ETF on that industry.
Yeah, and then two other things back on the, not just FFIE specifically, but in terms of the car kind of revolution in general. I want to, like, one thing that's worked for me in the past is if you're watching a stock, if you're holding it long term and you're down, right, and you start to see these run-ups and you start to get to know the stock really well, kind of like what you guys are doing with space. You wait for one of these moments, and when you're down, and then, like, for instance, like an earnings call that's going to come out, and you wait for it to kind of come out. You buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. But once you're down, then you're gonna right before these events, you're gonna really load up on that stock and decrease your average overall, and then from there, you can squeeze out, some small profits, and then decide if you want to get in or out or not. And then the other thing too, in terms of this of the auto workers union strike, I was listening to some other YouTubers, and someone came up with a really interesting point of, like, that CEO paying herself, like, giving herself like a $7 million raise. Well, we as investors are not benefiting from her giving herself a raise, and they're going to bring the argument of, like, oh, it's going to make the cars go up and everybody's going to have to pay more. And well, we're already doing that anyway with gas prices and whatnot. So, but you've got 150,000 workers who are going to be out of work, and they're not spending money in the economy. So us as investors, if we're invested in, Starbucks, McDonald's, Tesla, whatever, we want those workers to be out there spending money in order to make our stocks go up. I mean, it's a really kind of simple argument, actually, but it's not really the way most people think about it.
Sure. Makes sense. What did you think about, well, two questions I have for you. First of all, you talk about semiconductors. Are you aware of, or are you concerned about what's been happening with China reducing the amount of basic raw materials? There's, in fact, none have been sold on the market for the West to be able to make semiconductors. They've the raw materials are not being sold on the market from China. They've stopped selling it at the moment. It's a temporary thing, comes and goes. Are you aware of that? That the materials to build semiconductors is being restricted at the moment?
I hadn't heard of that specifically, but from what happened after the CHIPS Act, where they're trying to bring a lot of that manufacturing back over here anyway, it's probably a retaliation from what we did to them by not letting them have access to the main chips that are going to be coming out.
I'm sure. I'm sure. It's a game.
Yeah. So within the next 5 years, I mean, you've got like Intel, you've got even you've got some other companies coming out now. Even Tesla is saying, because they're having such a problem getting these NVIDIA chips, that they're going to start working on their own. And now NEO is doing the same thing, where it's like these massive companies realize that the prices of these chips are so high, and they can't keep up with demand, so they're going to start working on their own. And whether that is going to be good or bad, I don't know, but it's something that kind of everybody is aware of, and things are in a very transitional point right now for everybody. And when the dust settles, I think it's going to come out with the U.S. ahead.
Yeah. How did you feel about what was your reaction and thoughts after the Fed? We got a pause again, or a pause for the first time, in fact. And in the UK, the rates were lower than they anticipated. What's your thoughts there?
Well, it's not what they said they were going to do, is it? I mean, a year ago they were saying it's going to be this much, and now they've moved the goalpost again. So, and that's the same thing they're going to do every time. It's the Fed, Jerome Powell, he's not allowed to technically lie at his meetings or whatever. But if he doesn't lie this time and then changes his mind the next time, then they're going to keep doing that. So it makes it very hard to figure out if you want to just be in bonds or in stocks or whatever. But it's just something where, diversification, I guess, is going to be the answer.
Yeah. Just while you're speaking, I've just been able to make a 1.5% profit on my Virgin Galactic trade again today. Only a small amount, but it was another couple of shares for free. So that's good, and we'll try and do it again in a minute. So anyway, let me. I'm going to come back to you in a second for your final thoughts. Let me just go to Zach for his final thoughts. Zach. Next week, I didn't ask you, by the way, what your thoughts were on the FOMC. How did you feel about that?
I was happy to get the break at last,
Yeah.
Let's see where it's going to go from here. I was happy. I think it's a good move, and done with the raises. If they're going to raise again, I will not be surprised. Because he still mentioned he want to get to the 3%. So, but if it's gonna stick like that, and from here it just can get better.
Yeah, I don't think they're going to raise. I don't think they're going to raise again. I've said it time and time again. Holding the rates up long and for longer is just as painful, but it gives businesses a structure to work to. No more surprises. For me, that's what I think anyway.
August was good business. The month.
Yeah.
August itself was a really big growth for the housing, for the everything. Yeah.
Final words from you, Loudwork. Final thoughts.
Take these dips as an opportunity to buy and load up long term, and just ride out the waves.
Absolutely. Final thoughts from you for next week, Zach. Say.
I'm keep following for the 150 you promised. I'm very surprised. I remember the 411 Sensei mentioned, and we're very far from there. But it's, I think, going to take a few flights to get back into the right curves. I'm waiting for Sensei Sunday show.
I know it's going to be exciting. It's going to be exciting tonight. We got my live music. Friday night is music night, of course, and then on Sunday we're back, of course, this afternoon for the closing bell. But then on Sunday we've got Sensei's very first show, and of course it's the big reveal. No one has ever seen his face. No one knows what he looks like. So you're all going to find out who is the guy behind the voice on Sunday. And I'll be posting that link. Yeah, you go. He might be, I like the glasses. I can't wait until next Friday. You could have your hoodie by then. Anyway, you could. There you go. Cheers, guys. Thanks ever so much indeed. Brilliant. Let's do a thumbnail for today's show. So you could give us a smile, give us a wave, bring up your mug, Zach. There you go. All right. There we go. We got a good thumbnail there. Thank you ever so much. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Really appreciate your time. Really do. All right, there we go. Wonderful stuff. There was our Friday phone in. All members can call in. It's wonderful to have you join in. And if you want to be part of the show, just become a member and you can. Really, really, I love the Friday phone-ins. Really, really good. Okay, now if you want to be part of all of this, click above my head and you can see the links to our socials, X and other things that we post there to give you further information. Over here, you will see, as mentioned by Sensei, over here, we're going to put Sensei's very first premiere show on Sunday. And down here, another video. I'm not sure what that'll be just now, but I'll surprise you with that one. Virgin Galactic, I've just managed to sell again for another 1% profit, 1.5% profit. Happy with that. And it's going back down again, and I'll buy it under 178 this time. Keep doing that. Keep making profit all the time. Until next time, as always, join us next Friday on the Friday phone-in. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Very, very good. Sensei, wow, still live. Thought I missed it. Hold long and strong, says Mr. Bogue. Absolutely great. I was hoping you were going to call in, Mr. Bogue. Martyn, do you have a level 2 view in Robinhood? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Let me share with you on the screen. Level 2. Okay, here's level 2. There you go. Level 2 market data. Don't rely on it, though. It's very heavily manipulated. Don't use it as the Bible. It's not really that reliable. I have to tell you, it's manipulated to influence you one way or another. Okay. More on the fundamentals. Again, I'm not trying to time the market. I'm just making profits consistently over and over again. I don't care. I'm in the positions I want to be long term, but I'm making profit on the ups and the downs when they're undervalued, and you can do it that way. All right. Okay. I need to get off then. Virgin at 180. Yeah, I just sold it again. I made another 1.5% profit. Done that twice today. What do you think of the ARK ETFs, Martyn? Some of them are good. They can be a bit expensive, though. You can find the one. ETFs are generally a good idea as long as you find the one that's good value. But yes, some of them are good. I tend to just look what's in the portfolio that of ARK and go, yeah, I like Tesla. Yes, I like Rocket Labs, and I just buy them myself. You get a much better value if you do it yourself. However, it's very difficult to manage a lot of stocks if there's like 500 or I don't know. I mean, it's not 500 in an ARK an ARK ETF, but like the S&P 500, there are 500 companies. You can't manage them all. That's why you buy the S&P. But if you've got an ARK ETF of, say, 5 stocks, say, for example, there's one of 5, then I would prefer just to buy the 5 companies that are in there. As long as you're managing it, of course, because ARK will take things in and out to improve it. Their ETF, but remember, they're there to make money for them, not you. Of course, if their ETF performs well, you make money, but they make money out of you making money, right? So I would prefer to buy the assets myself if there's only a few assets in the ETF, because I can manage it myself. But if there are many, then it's okay. As Loudwork mentioned, like a semiconductor company ETF, there could be 30 companies in a semiconductor company ETF. And I haven't got the time or the interest to manage 30 or 40 different semiconductor companies. In that case, it's okay. Anyway, I hope that answers your question. Right, I've just sold my Virgin Galactic position again. I've got some money in cash again. We've made money again. I'm beating the market. Am I just behind? Yes, I am. Yeah. I'm beating Warren Buffett again. I'm just about beating the market. Here you go. Here's my position. I'm in the green, beating Mr. Buffett and doing very well. Good. And I've banked some cash and I've lowered my averages and it's been another good day. Right. I'm going to get off before I forget to say I'm not going to get off and carry on talking for another hour. I've got to get some videos done. We've got to set up the show for Sunday. Going to give you the link and post that on the homepage of the channel later on today, so you'll see that. And Arrival is up. I've just got notice. I'm not in Arrival though. It's a bloody awful company. I think that's it. So let's do day trader of the day. Let's wrap up the show. Virgin Galactic, I'll buy it. Oh, 178. Oh, there it goes. So again, this is the point I'm making. When people go, why would you sell it for 1% profit? What's the point? Well, my long-term position is still there, but you can see it went up and it's weak. It wants to go down. You can see the sentiment of the stock. It's wanting to go down. So now I've made a percent profit, and I've done it several times. Yesterday it was 3%, 4%. Keep doing that. I'm getting money to buy the stock for free. So I think we're going to go to 150, and then I can use all that money I made to buy more of it than I could have done before. And I still bank profits the first time. Remember, every trade is its own trade. And what you did is done. That money's banked. You move on. Start again. All right, let's have a quick look. FFIE, straight back down. I sold it at 420. That was a good move. Very happy I did that. I'm not looking to buy it back. There really isn't a point, because they in my opinion, they're going to reverse split again, and it just keeps devaluing the company over and over again. I don't like it when they're not concentrating on selling stuff, just building brands. They're using our money to pay their wages to build their future private business. I don't like investing in that. That's pointless. I'm not here to donate my money to anybody. I mean, that kind of the point, no point. So I'm out of that now, and I don't want to buy it back in. I've made some money from it, and I'm out of it. All right, so that's done. What we did do today, though, was buy Enphase Energy on this dip. I lowered from, look at that, 10%, 10 point something down to just 5.7 down. That's great. It won't take me very long at all to be able to trade this and make money, which will compensate my loss over here on the main position. So very, very happy with that. Okay. NEE going up as well, just 10% to go there. Berkshire Hathaway, if we can get that out today, I'll buy the S&P with it. Virgin Galactic, yep. Anything under 177, I'll buy it back and do it all over again. All right, day trader of the day. I'm up 0.41, beating Warren Buffett and just about beating the market, just slightly behind, up 0.44%. There you go. If you just tuned in, subscribe to the channel and tap the like button. That would be absolutely brilliant. If Bill was here, I would love to tell you how many members we've got, but I want to wait till Bill's here because it was his gesture that did it. Now, you did hear mention that Sensei is on Sunday. He's also going to introduce a cash giveaway as well, a cash giveaway on his show. You might want more information. Oh, Virgin Galactic's going back down, ready to buy it. You might want more information and win some free tickets for the giveaway. How do you win free tickets? Go to our links page, martynlucas.com. There is the links page. There it is, and sign up for my free newsletter. You can always update it and add your name if you've not done it before. If you want it personalized, if you want a birthday card and a treat, put your birthday in there and subscribe to it. And below here, you will see all my links to my socials and my free giveaways. You can win, you can get money from Robinhood. You get free stocks using my Robinhood link. eToro, you can get a $10 gift, $25 of USD with crypto.com. Coinbase, $10 of Bitcoin, and Webull a chance to win some Apple stock. All of these things are referrals that I have to share with you to help you get some free stuff. Free stuff. All right, there's all my links. If you've not followed me on all these things, you can. All right, but right at the top is the newsletter. Okay, and that'll have some more giveaway options in there. All right, we've got a good audience today on Rumble. Look, 14 watching on Rumble this morning. I wonder if I'm on the homepage of Rumble. Over on Rumble, thanks ever so much for supporting me over there. On Rumble, you tap the love and the follow, and that would be awesome. Thanks for following me. Let's have a quick look. I'm live on Rumble every day. Let's have a look on the homepage of Rumble. Let's see how I'm ranking today in the finance section, which is there. I am, let's have a look. Finance. I am not on the top 10 today. What's going on? I'm not on the top 10. That's the very first time I've not appeared on the top 10. Hang on a minute. Oh, there I am. I'm number 2. Am I not seeing myself? I'm number 2 on the finance section. Let me refresh that a minute. Am I missing something? Let's have a look. Finance. I'm normally number 1 on finance. Not normally number 1, but I'm normally on the homepage. Yeah, not showing there. View all. Number 2 on here. Don't know how I'm number 2 on here, but not showing on there. That's because I probably say the stock's going down on Rumble. They don't want to promote me anymore. That's absolutely fine. I don't mind. I'll always tell you the truth. No one can buy me to say, anything. I'll always tell you the truth. Unlike other Rumblers who like to tell you Rumble is great, we all know who they are, to get favor. I won't do it. I'm all about telling the truth. I'm not interested in, no one can buy me to say anything. I'm always telling you the truth, always making profits. And that's it. All right. Day trader of the day. Let's put a minute on the clock. Everybody, there's my score. Up 0.44. Virgin Galactic 178. Yeah, I'll buy it when it goes down below 178. Anything under here is value. Keep nudging profits all the way down. Let's get some scores in. Let's see who wins our trader of the day. Okay. Yep, I am now up 0.55. Where's all the scores? I'm beating Warren Buffett and I'm just about to beat the S&P as well. That's good. Virgin Galactic. Berkshire. Up 1.8. Sensei Crypto goes into the lead. Liam Laffey, he's going to win at that, I'm sure. Up 0.01. Up 0.65. Gold. S&P. Up 0.74. All right. I think the winner today, 1.37 MSK. That's a good result, but very well done indeed. Hang on, 1.37. Yes, Sensei takes the biscuit today. Congratulations, Sensei. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Sensei wins. Give him a thumbs up. I love it. Well done to you indeed. And here are the sound effects. All right. Now then, I'm going to get off and put all the shows together, all the events that we got coming up. Of course, look out for Sensei on Sunday. I will give you the link for that later on. Excuse me for sneezing. I will give you the link for that later on in the show. Are you all coming to the Friday night is music night? Let me give you the link for that. Space let me down. No, Space was great today. It enabled me to make some money scalping it. How many people are coming to the concert tonight? Friday night is music night. We don't do it every Friday, but we are doing it tonight. Let me see how many are coming. We had 6 likes before. We've now got 11. Fantastic. We've got James 007. He'll be there. Fibonacci Blue. Mike. Zach. Mr. Bogues. I'll be there. A Man from Earth. Fantastic. Look forward to seeing you all there. Live requests. You can have your favorite songs. All right, that's it from me. I'm done. I've got to get these videos done. I made a promise and I've got to deliver on it today. So I will see you back in a bit. Let me roll the credits. Let's see what we've got today. Let's have a look on the credits. And in today's show, the stars of our show, we got another subscriber, Abdullah. These are the only public subscribers. Many people subscribe, but they don't show up because they're not public. Not everyone shares their subscribers. Now you can see how many views we've had today. 256 people came through the stream. Quite a quiet day, really. 10,787 is the subscribers. I'll just refresh it, but there you go. It doesn't often move by refreshing it because it's live. Okie dokie, there we go. That's it from me. All right, looking good. My portfolio is just about to beating Warren Buffett, as you can see, but you can see they're just about to beat the S&P as well. Up 0.6, going up. Very nice indeed. Green day, love it. That's it from me. Now look out for the videos today, the phone in. Look out for Sensei's big reveal. We get to find out what he looks like. Anyway, I know what he looks like, but you'll find out tonight. Until then, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. See you back in a bit. Keep trading. Bye-bye.